Hello everybody and welcome again. I was just in my home doing some stuff and I heard first responding vehicles. So I grabbed my phone and decided to come out and start filming. I don't know what's going on, but we have fire trucks. I don't know if somebody got hit by a vehicle or... So I'm going to try to get a closer look if I can. What happened, man?
Oh, there. False alarm again.
False alarm?
Again.
Huh? Again? Well, I guess it's a false alarm, so... But yeah, nothing going on in my city right now except for this. Again, it's a false alarm. That's good actually. I'm glad nobody was hurt. So yeah. Windsor Fire and Rescue responding to a false alarm. So it's a beautiful day. There's my country's flag flying high. This stretch of road is called Ouellette Avenue. It's French. I'll be doing a longer video tomorrow. Just today it was raining, so I didn't feel like doing going out and filming. But if tomorrow's nice, I will go out and film. So again, false alarm people, I'm glad nobody was hurt. Do you live in that building?
I lost my air tag. I'm looking for my air tag.
Your air tag?
Yeah, I lost it. It's off the back of my bike.
So yeah, and that building, that apartment building right there, you guys, that is the oldest building here in Windsor. The Queen of England used to stay in that building when she came to Windsor. So again, everybody, that is a false alarm. I'm glad nobody was hurt. But yeah. Alright, so I will be doing a longer video tomorrow, providing it does not rain. So anyways, I thank you all for watching this, and you all be safe. Thank you and have a blessed day. Love you everybody. And everybody, thank you for making my channel possible. And I will give each and everybody a shout out tomorrow or tonight. Alright, so thank you everybody. God bless.